guys, it's another beautiful night for our $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. I know you guys are already waiting for this, and here I am presenting it to you live and direct. Okay, thank you guys for joining me live and direct, and also I must say a big thank you for sharing your results with me. Yesterday's results was amazing, and I'm really glad that you guys took advantage of it to milk the market. Okay, we'll be looking at another one today. We'll be analyzing the market together, but before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are just joining us for the first time, this is Qora Digital Cash. It's a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take your time to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Okay, so that is very, very important. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, let's quickly go straight into what we have for today. Okay, like I said, it's the time for $500 per day trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, this is what we do here. We'll be doing the analysis together live and direct. You see me doing the analysis so that you can learn how I analyze my trade before going into the trade. Then we'll look at the market direction. We'll also check out what we are likely to trade, okay, for tonight in order to milk the market successfully. Okay, a lot of things will be attached to this. If you are not joining us live, then you will have to check out the chart again to confirm everything analyzed in this video. Okay, then another thing you need to consider is the exact time which I'm using, which I'm doing this, then also the time frame I'm using, then finally the trading tools which I am using, which is of course the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, so that is what I'll be using in this video. Okay, so let's go straight to the chart in order to do our analysis so that we know what the market is throwing at us. Okay, so let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Okay, guys, this is my chart, and this is my chart. So I will be starting with boom 1000. So let me start with boom 1000 right away. Wow. Okay, this is boom 1000, guys, and I'm on 5-minute time frame, and definitely the indicator I'm using is called the QDC scraper indicator. Of course, just the way you have seen it, right from here we notice that the markets started the uptrend right from here, and you can see it has been spiking ever since. There was a little pullback here, but still went up to end the trend right on this resistance level. Okay, right now it is going back on downtrend. It is going back on downtrend, even though there is a little pullback here. So after this pullback, definitely to go down again and try to break out from this support zone. But if it is unable to break out from there, there will be another pullback again and try to test it again a third time. Okay, and definitely I believe it's going to break it around there. Okay, so it is going to be a sell for boom 1000, but once it is approaching this support zone, then you can exit the market immediately and wait for the next action to happen. If it's going to be a breakout from there, or if it's going to be a pullback. If it is a breakout, then you come in right here beneath this support zone so that you can milk the market to the next support zone. But if it is a pullback, wait for the sell arrow to pop out again before you jump into the trade. Okay, so that is how it works. So for boom 1000, it's going to be a sell, so we will be checking out boom 500 right away. Okay, this is boom 500 and this is boom 500, and we are also on 5 minute time frame, and just the way we have seen the chart, it started the downtrend right from here after a very long uptrend. It came to an end, the uptrend came to an end right on this resistance zone, and it started downtrend from there, even though it consolidated around this region for a very long time because it was finding difficult to break out from this support zone. Okay, like I told you before, I've been telling you this in my videos that once it is coming from a very strong trend, okay, it is always difficult for it to break out into the next trend directly. Okay, so it is always difficult for it to break out into the next trend directly. Okay, so right there it broke out from there, from this particular support zone around here, and it went down to this support zone, and which pushed it up again and came down to the support zone. Because the support zone is a very fast support zone, so it's finding it difficult to break out from there successfully, and of course it has led to another support zone, which is also a very fast one around here. So it is having two very fast support zones to break out from this time around. Okay, it might end up closing the trade on this particular support zone. So we should be having another sell signal right now, okay, because it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, so it will start selling any moment from now. It will start selling any moment from now. So that is just the way it works. Okay, just after the pullback, then you should start selling. So for boom 500, it is also going to sell, but it is having a pullback at the moment. There is a sudden reaction in the market, so it is spiking at the moment. So you wait for it to finish up with that. Of course, it is already around the resistance zone, so definitely it should be going back on downtrend any moment from now. Okay, so let's check out the next asset, which is going to be Crash 1000. Okay, for Crash 1000, this is also 5 minute time frame. It was on uptrend before, and the uptrend came to an end right here. Okay, right here, and it started a downtrend, which led to this, and there is a pullback, and right now it has gone down again. Okay, and it has ended the trend right on this support zone. Okay, so this time around it will be going back on uptrend, and we've gotten our buy signal. Of course, it will take some time before it will break out from this 4MA candle. So once it is approaching the 4MA candle, then you should exit the market. For it to crash down again, then you try it again. Once it approaches, I'll exit again. I think the third time it should break it successfully. Okay, so that is going to be a buy for Crash 1000. Okay, it's going to be a crash for Crash 1000. So a buy for Crash 1000. So make sure you follow the rules. Once it is approaching the 4MA candles, you stay away from the market, okay, just for it to break out successfully from there. So we'll be checking out Crash 500 right away, which is going to be the last asset which we'll be looking at in today's video. Okay, for Crash 500, it started the uptrend right from here after coming to getting to this support zone from a downtrend. Okay, so this is the uptrend. It started from here and it went up. It was a smooth ride. We have just a few pullback in between the journey to the resistance level up here. Okay, so it ended the trend right on this resistance level, and it is selling at the moment. Okay, like I always tell you, it will always find difficult to break out from this support zone, most especially if it's diving into a new trend. Okay, so right now it is going to a new trend, which is a sell trend. Okay, so it's sold to this support zone, went back up, and will be selling again. Okay, to be selling again and try to break out from this support zone. So once it is approaching this support zone, you can stay away from the market for it to break it. If it does not break it, definitely there's going to be a pullback. Then you come back again and sell till it get to the support zone. So probably as at then it will be breaking out from the support zone. Once it breaks out from there, then we should be checking out this particular support zone right here. So for crash 500, it is going to be a sell. It is going to be a sell for crash 500. So that is all we have for today. That is all we have for today. So guys, I want you to take note of everything I have highlighted in today's video. And of course, if you are not joining us live and direct, then definitely you will have to check the chart again to confirm if everything is still going in line with what we have analyzed right now, okay, with what we have just analyzed, okay. So, and also if you are just joining us for the first time, or probably you are yet to perfect your trading skill, then you will need to go back to the channel to watch some of my training videos on this, so that you will understand how it works, okay, so that you will understand how it works. And if you must go on with the trade, then definitely you will have to do that on your demo account, okay. You will have to do that on your demo account, just for you to understand how it works and how to perfect your just for you to perfect your trading skill. And of course, if you have been following up all this while milking the markets with this strategy, with the analysis all this while, then definitely you can go straight to your real account and do the right thing, okay, so that you can make some money for yourself. And of course, like I always tell you, always remember to withdraw something for your personal use. Always pay yourself first whenever you make profits, okay. That is very, very important, okay. So that is all we have for tonight. That is all we have for tonight. Remember to share your results with me, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Thank you and God bless you.